First, peel off the paper from stud on the machine. Cut cable tie to loosen the modem power cable. We need to use M2.5*6 screws to fix modem wings. Place the modem on specific position and fix it tight. There are two options to install antenna. You can install it on the top of control cabinet, or the top of control cabinet door. There are two reserved antenna holes at the top of machine, and the rubber cork can be removed. Can use small antenna plate to cover the hole when necessary. Insert the antenna cable to the machine through the hole. Fix it tight by using the nut. Put the cable inward through the square hole at the top. Extension cable might be needed when antenna cable is not long enough. Connect Wi-Fi and 4G cables to modem. Plug in the power cable to the modem. Insert antenna cable to the machine through the hole. Remove 4 screws to take out the cover plate. Fix the antenna tight by using nut. Put the cable inward through the square hole at the top. Connect the cables to modem.